False, iOS 17 is finally here and must say the features are amazing. You will be very much tempted to update your iOS device to iOS 17. But what if after update your iOS device starts having issues like overheating, battery draining because of iOS 17 problems and bugs? Well folks, in this situation, you should downgrade your iOS device to iOS 16 or previous iOS version. But then the question is how to downgrade iOS 17 to iOS 16? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to know how to downgrade iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 16.5 without data loss. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to downgrade iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 16 without data loss. Well folks, this also works to downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16, and all this can be done without jailbreak. Folks, after upgrading to iOS 17 or iOS 17 beta, many users are experiencing issues like overheating, battery draining, keyboard not working in many apps, or having Bluetooth issues. Well, all this can be fixed by simply downgrading iOS 17 to iOS 16, and for that we can always use iCloud or iTunes. But what if they are not working for you? Well, in this situation we will require a professional iOS system repair and recovery software, and here I recommend Tenorshare Reboot. Tenorshare Reboot is the best free iPhone recovery mode tool and repair iOS macOS system software that can help you downgrade iOS 17 beta to previous version without jailbreak, and can also help you update to latest iOS developer and public beta versions. It can also fix 200 plus iOS, iPadOS, macOS issues like stuck on Apple logo, screen won't turn on, recovery mode loop, software and update issues, network errors, and much more. The best part, we can use it to put iPhone, iPad or Mac in recovery mode or exit for free. And here is why you should try Tenorshare Reboot, as it can fix device bugs, screen stuck issues, iOS mode stuck, iPhone error, Apple driver error, update problem, and Mac issues in minutes. Wow, that seems really impressive. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit this official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once Tenorshare Reboot free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Tenorshare Reboot with all its features and capabilities. False, we can do so much with Tenorshare Reboot, but today I wanna show you all how to downgrade iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 16 without data loss and jailbreak. But before we start, I will suggest you to create a backup of your iPhone data so that you can restore your iPhone if there are any issues with downgrade. And to create backup, follow the steps. Simply connect your iPhone to computer and open iTunes, then select this computer and click on Backup Now button. After you are done with backup, simply go back to Tenorshare Reboot and now click on Downgrade option. Now select iOS 16 and click on Downgrade. Reboot now downloads iOS 16 latest firmware package. Once iOS 16.5 firmware download completes, simply click on Initiating Downgrade. Now click on Continue to start downgrade process. It starts downgrading and may take some time. Allow it to complete iOS downgrade process, and once done, here it mentions downgrade completed. Now our iPhone restarts and we need to set up our iPhone again. If you have backup, then you can also restore it. If not, simply follow the steps to complete setup. Once done, here we have successfully downgraded iOS 17 to iOS 16 using Tenorshare Reboot. So easy and effortless. Now you may ask, is Tenorshare Reboot free to use? Well, it's not free. We will look at plans to use it. So now let's talk about Tenorshare Reboot pricing plans, and for that here we are back on official website. Now click on Buy Now. Here we have different pricing plans that you can choose as per your requirement, And false. Here is an iOS 17 special gift for you all. Simply use this coupon to get $5 discount. Wow, this is super awesome. I will recommend you to try out Tenorshare Reboot if you are looking to downgrade iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 16.5 without data loss or jailbreak. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WVisioners, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. How to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without factory resetting iPhone? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Looking to bypass FRP lock on Android phone? If yes, then this video is for you.